In the mystic bamboo forests of China, a daring and mysterious giant panda named Ling emerged as an enigma. With sleek black and white fur and an intense gaze, Ling concealed a secret life as a formidable agent trained in the ancient arts of espionage and combat. Ling's tranquility in the bamboo groves masked a thrilling and action-packed existence. Tasked with protecting the delicate balance of power, Ling worked covertly to foil the plans of dangerous criminal organizations attempting to exploit the rich heritage of China. Deep in the heart of Beijing, Ling received a coded message indicating a plot to steal a priceless artifact, the Dragon's Eye, a relic of immeasurable power hidden within the Forbidden City. Determined to prevent catastrophe, Ling embarked on a high-stakes mission to neutralize the threat. As Ling made her way through the labyrinthine halls, she unraveled the intricate web of conspiracies surrounding the Dragon's Eye. Dark forces sought to seize the artifact's power for their own nefarious purposes, endangering not only China but the entire world. With every step closer to the truth, Ling's perilous journey brought her face to face with ruthless adversaries who would stop at nothing to possess the Dragon's Eye. She navigated treacherous obstacles, engaged in breathtaking chase sequences, and employed her wit and mastery to outsmart her foes. In a climactic showdown beneath the starlit sky, Ling confronted the mastermind behind the plot, a formidable enemy driven by greed and power. Their battle tested Ling's skills, resolve, and unwavering dedication to protect her homeland. Through sheer determination and cunning, Ling emerged victorious, thwarting the villain's plans and reclaiming the Dragon's Eye. She restored the artifact to its rightful place, ensuring that its power would never fall into the wrong hands. Though Ling's thrilling adventures remained shrouded in secrecy, her legacy endured, whispered among the bamboo groves and known to a select few. As the guardian of China's heritage, she continued to protect her homeland from the shadows, forever a symbol of courage and determination.